Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix most of the problems with the Kingdom Come Deliverance II not opening. So the first step that I will recommend doing is downloading AMD Adrenalin or the NVIDIA app depending on your GPU, and using that software will allow you to update your GPU driver to your latest possible option. This will significantly improve performance and ensure that your game won't crash. So in the AMD app, you just have to press the button that will be here if you don't have the latest one installed. And in the NVIDIA app, it will work pretty much the same in the drivers tab. The second thing is I would recommend not overclocking your game, your GPU and your CPU, because that can cause the crashes and the game not opening. So I would not recommend overclocking your CPU and GPU, at least by yourself. You can experiment with the automatic overclocking. I use it sometimes and it works pretty well in most games. The third step, which is also really important and will care in most of the cases, which will be opening your Steam or other platform you have the game bought on, going in the Steam case, going into this little manage icon here, pressing properties, going into installed files and pressing the verify integrity of the game files. This will take a few seconds if you have the SSD, the game installed on SSD, or a few minutes. And on the HDDs, it will take some time, but it will take care of most of the not opening problems, because most of the time they come from not having some files in the game directory, and this option will download them if needed. Okay, so that is it for this video. If you considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. Thanks for watching.